Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious deep-fried fish. First, let's talk preparation. You'll want to choose firm, white fish fillets like cod or haddock, ideally about 1 inch thick. It's crucial to pat your fish completely dry with paper towels. This step ensures a wonderfully crispy coating. Then, set up your dredging stations, one for seasoned flour, one for an egg wash, and one for your breading mixture. This organized approach makes the process smooth and efficient. Now let's get that fish coated and the oil ready. First, dredge each fillet through the seasoned flour, then dip it into the egg wash, and finally, press it firmly into your breading mixture, ensuring full coverage. Next, heat a neutral oil, such as vegetable or canola, in a deep pot. The ideal temperature is precisely 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a reliable deep fry thermometer is absolutely essential to maintain this temperature for perfect results. It's time to fry. Gently lower 1 or 2 pieces of your coated fish into the hot oil. Be careful not to overcrowd the pot, as this can drop the oil temperature too quickly and lead to soggy fish. Fry each piece for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until it turns a beautiful golden brown and floats to the surface. For food safety, always ensure the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your fish is perfectly golden, carefully remove it from the oil. Place the fried pieces on a wire rack set over paper towels to allow any excess oil to drain away, keeping them crisp. It's a good idea to let the fish rest for just 1 or 2 minutes before serving. This helps the juices redistribute, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Serve your delicious deep-fried fish immediately with your favorite accompaniments, like fresh lemon or tartar sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.